we're going to replace the rear wiper blade. First, we'll go to the autoimpact app. Then we can search here, type GLC, ask it to search, and it'll bring it up here. Look. I want more details. I'll click here, and it'll show the rear wiper blade, the fitting, because this is the blade we're going to fit, and there's even a video here. Well, the blade for this auto-impact model is a rear wiper blade, and it comes with a series of adapters, okay? Here, look, Mercedes GLC. And then with the fitting, there's a lot of information. So here we have, here on the back, the indication, right, of the models for applying this blade. And we always have a ruler here, so we can measure both the current and the previous blade, right? Normally, we would also have installation instructions here. In this case, for this TS12 model, what do we have? We actually have a manual, because in addition to the slat, we receive a series of fittings, right, adapters, like ours here, which we'll use the Type E fitting. There are additional instructions. We have to install a first adapter, which is this Type B fitting, so we can then install the Type E fitting. We apply this Type B fitting here. There's this indication here, this arrow. Why? Because we're going to fit this recess here in the slat. It's very easy. Place it here, look, in the recess and just slide it following the arrow until it stops. It's right in the center. Then just come here with another fitting, the Type E, and it engages here, look. And it has this rounded part. It's ready to install in the car. What does this rear slat here from autoimpact look like? It's exactly the same as the slat that was installed there. Rubber profile. It's not a single profile. Look at this wiper profile, which is actually quite flexible, and it can do the job on the glass, right? It lies down and cleans and dries the glass while moving. How does it work? You lift the arm here, and you'll have these little princesses here, look, on both sides. Just press and move them, and they'll appear. We press them down here, up there, look. We release them up here. I'll put another one with the E-type latch already installed. Just come here. It fits up here. Then just bring it down here. Press those two latches. There you go, it's in place. Look, it's fixed. Just remove the protection and have fun. You know, autoimpact, the expert in